let me show you how you can edit PDF in your Google Drive. So I just drag and drop this sample PDF here. So you can do that to upload it first to your Drive. Then you can open up, and as you can see, this is PDF. We can read it, we can select the text, but we cannot edit. If it's mostly text-based PDF, you can simply try to open in Google Docs. It should show at the very top here. It may take a moment to convert to a Google Doc document. And here it is. We got our PDF converted to Google Doc with some changes. As you can see, some elements are moved around. Even though it's editable now, we can delete part of the text, untype something new. Some changes like font may change. This one moved to the line up. So you need to kind of take a quick look and see that it's good enough for you. If it's not very text-based heavy or it's totally messed up in the default converter, we can do a workaround. So instead of putting PDF directly to your Google Docs, we need to search online for some kind of PDF converter, like this one, small PDF, and then we drag and drop that file here first. Save it as Word file. Then head back to your Google Drive and drag and drop that converted Word file. Here's the new file. Let's open it up. The conversion from the Word file to Google Doc is way smoother than from PDF to Google Doc. So here it is. Again, we got some small changes, but I think this version is a bit better. The biggest change is that image is clipping only on the one page, so we can fix that, I think. Here it is. All right, and that's our PDF. As you can see, both ways the process is not exactly 100% smooth. So that's how you can edit PDFs directly in your Drive. Simply try to open them with Google Docs or convert to Word and then open in Google Docs. So there are both free versions that we can try first without using any paid complex PDF editor. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.